students. So how all of you are doing? I believe that all of you are doing great. So welcome back to our another class for subject science. Okay, so last week we learned about changing shadows. Okay, and this week we will review 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. okay, so we will review what we have studied in last 2-3 weeks. Okay, so and you guys have been doing a great job, so keep it up. So first 6.1, so let's go to 6.1, day and night. Okay, so I will read a little bit and then I can explain again. Okay, light from the sun comes to the earth. Some of the earth is in light, but some of the earth is in dark. Okay, the earth spins, so all parts of the earth have time in the light and time in the dark. We call these times day and night. Okay, so how day and night occurs? So have a look at here at this picture. Okay, so here is the sun. Okay, so here is earth. Okay, so now you can see earth spins this way, okay, towards this side, okay, this way, anti-clockwise. Okay, so now the sun rays, so here we have sun rays. Okay, sun rays, or we can say sunlight. Okay, so sunlight comes to the earth. Okay, so sun is not moving, sun is stable. Okay, but sun is not moving. Okay, so but the earth spins. So the light comes from the sun to the earth. So now you can see the A part has daytime. Okay, so we can see half of the A part has daytime. Okay, so and this part has daytime. Okay, and here no sunlight. Okay, so A part is facing the sun, B part is not facing the sun, so here is night. Okay, but if I put something here, let's suppose C and D here, so they are here, they are having sunrise, and here they are facing sunset. Okay, so look at the second picture here. Okay, so now the earth has spun. Okay, so earth has spun to the other side. Okay, it's made, so as usual it's a regular rotation, so it has spun on its axis. So now you can see B part has daytime. Okay, so B part again, so B part has daytime, and now A part has nighttime. Okay, so that's how we see night and day, because the earth spins on its axis. So that's why in 24 hours we see day and night again. Okay, because earth completes its one rotation in 24 hours, so that's why in 24 hours we see day and night. Next, 6.2, does the sun move? So let's have a look at here. So here is a person. Okay, so you can see in the morning you will see sun here. Okay, because the earth spinning this side, and then you see here, then on top of you in midday, suppose, okay, so we can say here we have a 7 o'clock in the morning, and then it's come 10 o'clock. Okay, and then 12 p.m. okay, afternoon, and then 3 o'clock, and here we can say 6 o'clock. Okay, when the sun sets. Okay, so does the sun move? But sun does not move in real. Okay, it's the earth that spins. That's why we see that sun is moving, but in actual sun does not move. It's the earth's rotation that make us see that sun is moving, but in actual sun does not move at all. Okay, and 6.3, changing shadows. Okay, so when shadow appears when any object or something block the light. okay. So it's not, it doesn't have to be a sunlight or so if you block any kind of light, you will create a shadow, okay. So like if you are in the house, just stand underneath in the daytime, turn on the light, okay. So stand underneath the light or put something in front of the light, okay. So you will see shadow, okay. So you can see shadow. But if we talk about sunlight and shadow in the daytime, like in the morning and in the evening, shadows are longer, okay. You can see long shadows, but in the midday shadows are not that long, okay. So let's have a look. So and shadow will always appear on the opposite side from the source of light, okay. If the source of light is this side, you will see shadow this side, okay. So if source of light on this side, so you will see shadow this side, okay. So let's have a look here. So now the sun is on the top, okay. So that means it's midday and shadow is small, okay. It's not that long, okay. It's not that big, so it's short. So this shadow is short. But when it goes down, okay, so imagine this is around 4 or 5 o'clock, so that means it's close to sunset. So you can see shadows are long, okay. So in the midday, from you can say from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, shadows are not that long. The shadows appear short, but in the early morning and in the evening time, shadows are long, okay. So that's it for review, okay. So your task 1 is on page number 66, okay, page number 66, okay. So who is in the day, who is in the night, can you say why, okay. So answer this question. You can answer on your notebook, okay. You have to answer on your notebook. So check on the book and answer on the notebook, okay. So I will give you enough time for your task 1. So if you will have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me. I will be there to help you, okay. So that's it in the first video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hello students, welcome back to our second video for today. So today we are reviewing what we have learned in last 2 weeks, like day and night, okay, changing shadows, and does the sun move, but sun actually does not move, and how we see how day and night occurs, okay, and how shadows are longer in the morning and in the evening, and we see short small shadows in the midday, okay. So coming on to your task 2. So your task 2 will be posted in the group, okay. So your task 2 will be posted in the group, okay. I will give you some activities to do, okay. So if you will have any questions, any doubts regarding regarding your task 2, you can ask me, okay. I will give you enough time, but if you will need more time, you can ask me. I will give you more time, okay. And do your tasks and your homework every time I give you, otherwise you will lose your marks in your final exams, okay. So that's it in the second video. I will see you in the third and last video. Hello students, welcome back to our third and last video for today. And today we reviewed what we have learned before, okay, in last 2-3 weeks. So we reviewed 6.1, 6.2 and 6.3. So you guys have done a great job in your task 1 and task 2. So before I give you homework, let's have a look again. So how day and night occurs, okay. So the sun is not moving, sun is stable, okay, still. So it's the earth's rotation that make us see day and night, okay. So the sunlight comes from the sun, and you can see now A part is facing the sun, so that's why they have day, and B part is not facing the sun. so that's why they are having night time. So have a look at here. So now the earth has spun, okay, so towards this side, okay, so earth spins anti-clockwise. So now B part is facing the sun and A part is not facing the sun, so that's why B part has day and A part has night. So that's why we see day and night, okay. And earth completes its one rotation in 24 hours. That's why in 24 hours we see day and night, okay. So does the sun move? So we get up in the morning, okay, we see sun this side, okay, and then comes this and on top and then here, and then sun goes down. But in actual, sun does not move. So it's earth's rotation on its axis that make us feel like sun is moving, but no, sun does not move in actual, okay. So 6.3, changing shadows, okay. So shadows appear to be longer in the evening and in the morning, and they appear to be shorter in the afternoon time, okay. So as you can see, because of sunbeam, okay, that's why we see, so now the sun is down, so we have long shadow, okay. But when sun is on top, so we have a short shadow, okay, small shadow. So coming on to your homework. So your homework is on page number 67, okay. You need to answer these questions. Which picture is right, A or B? So A or B, which picture is right, okay. So you need to find out. Earth spins, rotates around on its axis, or earth rotates like this. Look at these pictures. Is the sun high or the low in these pictures? Do you think it is morning, mid? So you need to check, okay. So A and B. So which one? As I mentioned earlier, in the daytime, in the midday, shadows are small, okay. But in the evening and in the morning, shadows are long, okay. So that's it for today, okay. So don't forget to do your homework, and thanks for participating. Take care, be safe. I will see you next week. Bye bye.